Hello, friends. How are you doing? So, today we'll be learning how you can create an intro video for free for your YouTube channel. All right. Okay. Let's get started.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100.
So, create a design, search for video. That's the 16:9 ratio. Then select a background. I am going to select black because I like it. And then I will be creating this demo intro video for my channel, TechMan, which you're watching right now. So I am going to first write some wordings here. So not Spiderman, and then I'm going to use the lasso, my favorite fonts, and then potentially I'm going to space out the wordings like this. And I think it's pretty big, so I'm gonna reduce the size, and then I will search for Spider-Man, and I see it here, but I need the free one. So if I can find, let's say if I can find any animated one, but there's, so everything you see with this ground is for the pro version, which I can't use really, but this is something I can use, which is free. And if there is anything else, oh, nothing. Okay, let's unfilter it with static and then see if I can find something here. I can see that there is a spider here which is in black color, so that's why it's not visible. I have this Canva watermark one, which is not good either. Let's see if I can find something else. Ah, there you go. Something I found. This is also black and it's not letting me change the color, so there's no point. I'm gonna remove it. Web. Maybe I'll find something with web. Oh, spiderweb. Let's find spiderweb. Yeah, there you go. It's a lot of webs here. So I'm gonna say animate it again and see if I can find something. Nothing. So I think I have to just keep myself happy with this one, because this is something which is available for free, and it's there you go. The first one always take a lot of time. So that this is the time we'll discuss about it later. So this is Spider-Man, then we will just duplicate this page and then say Iron Man, and then potentially find out Iron Man here. Wow, you know what? I can go online and find Iron Man logo and then see if I can find something transparent background. And I think I did found something here, which is Iron Man logo. And see if I can see if it is transparent. It's not transparent. Okay, let's see if this one is transparent. No. Let's see if I can find it. There you go. It's downloaded. So Spider-Man. Okay, I'll just search for Spider-Man logo transparent, and then potentially I'll find one here. Go on the website and then download this from here. Download in 4 seconds. Download. There you go. So I've got Spider-Man logo, which I'm going to upload now from here, and Iron Man logo. So this is Spider-Man logo. Okay, so I have to change the background color because the background color is the color for the logo is black. Potentially I have to do the same for the Iron Man. There you go. So we got not Spider-Man, not Iron Man, and then I'm just going to duplicate this page and then say I am your and just have a circle or something from here. And there you go, we found something interesting. So there you go, I am here. And then I'll just duplicate it and say man. And then I will just say, I don't know, what is my logo? Maybe just a picture of mine, which is somewhere here. There you go. And I'll just put that here. There you go. And then the last bit would be to say learn tech fast. Perfect. So this is my intro. Not a Spider-Man, not an Iron Man. I'm your tech man. Learn tech fast. Awesome, isn't it? Yeah. So this looks good, but I want it to be circled. So I am going to put a circle here. Circle, 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 circle. But I don't want it animated. So normal circle. Maybe this one. Put it a little bit bigger. Perfect. And a bit bigger. There you go. This is okay, isn't it? Or maybe I'll just find a circle frame. Okay, let's just find a frame. There you go. So perfect. Problem solved. And then maybe just to cover it up with some more love, I just put this circle on top of it. And then just move the TechMan here. And then potentially group this up and then make it a little bit smaller. Looks good. Perfect. Okay, so this is how it looks. So if I do this, Spider-Man, now let's animate it. So every page could they say not Spider-Man, pan, fade. What else we have? Tonic, drift, stomp. I like that. Stomp. Yeah. There you go. Stomp. And then we want it on every page. So you're gonna reduce it to 3 seconds. And then on the Iron Man page, we're gonna do this pop. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, I am your. So let's delete that. I am your. On enter. Techman. So Techman, and then learn tech fast should be a typewriter. Tech fast. Awesome. Perfect. And I don't want this one, so delete this. Okay, so now let's go to the audio and instruments, live filter. No. Okay, I need some music. Upbeat. Oh, it's all all right. So let's go to YouTube. Copyright free music library, and in the audio library section you have a lot of music here. I know you told your friend you're not a... But if I let... Download. Now upload here, and then download, and then this is the import effect music, and I'm gonna just add this. Where did it go? I don't know. There you go. I think this one got a little bit bigger, so let's do it 2 seconds, maybe, and then let's try it from here. Okay, so this one needs a little bit more, so 3 seconds for it. I love the chase. I set the pace when I love the. And then after 3 seconds, the learn first thing. So basically, I love the chase. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Awesome. Perfect. So I love this, and this is how you create intro for your YouTube music. Ta-da! I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100.